Hello and welcome to the 105th episode of T-Sarp. I'm your host, Andrew Weir, and today, like normal, our co-hosts are Sam and Steven.
Hi, guys.
Hello.
So we officially have our 2 trophies in our trophy case. Sadly, the other one will be going back soon, and we'll never get to see it again, because that one's going to be moving into the elementary school division.
Yep.
But yeah, so I mean, for now, we have 2 nice looking trophies in there. We also have the Code Clash trophy, which will always be in there. That was really just a hot pog event. And then since they weren't going to give the trophy to one student, they just put it in the trophy case. Makes sense. I mean, it's called the trophy case.
Yep.
So yeah, it's looking pretty nice. Mr. Farrar posted an image on Twitter if you want to look at it. But yeah, also, either today or tomorrow, the official date is today, but our 6th grade hackathon team will be announced. We don't really know exactly when. Mr. Ferrara had put up the date of today, but there's really no announcement in sight currently. So we will keep you updated whenever that's out. We have our speculations on who will make the team. I mean, we always do. But yeah, I don't really know a lot of the 6th graders. I mean, of course, I see them in coding club, but not really. Like, there have been a lot of projects like I've seen on like hacks and stuff from students, but no one really like stands out too much. Of course, like some students I know, but yeah. So that's gonna be exciting to see when.
Oh, and Andrew.
Out. Yes.
You often say I pass as a 6th grader or even younger. Do you think I'm gonna make the team?
Yes.
Well, Sam, since you were just in a hackathon, I think that Kidoyo might be a little suspicious on why the same kid came back another time.
Oh no, that was Samuel Babiak. I'm Samuel Babiak, remember?
Oh yeah.
It's my bad.
So maybe, as long as no one from Kidoyo is listening to this one, then maybe.
Okay.
Nice. But yeah, so that will be exciting seeing when the team will come out. And of course, we're going to be getting in more and more 6th grade hackathon news as it's coming in. But, there's still, like a month away?
I
think so.
Yeah. What's funny, they actually kind of crossed out the hackathon we were just in on Friday on the website on CCEDU. But yeah, so the 28th is going to be the 6th grade hackathon. They also officially put up the replay of the Steampunk Moon hackathon. And let me say, the little like banner icon thumbnail preview that they put up is like looking really cool. So that steampunk is really showing. But yeah, I mean, we did our whole monologue and talk about that, and it was a lot of fun. Of course, if you don't know, we won. But yeah, so it was a lot of fun. And we kind of all like regrouped today and we're like, okay, what happened? And we're like, you did well, you did well, you did well. We kind of talked about like our perspectives and what we really liked about it, what we could improve on for next year. And I think like a lot of teams do that, or a suggestion to teams like to do that, to really see like, especially like the different team members, what their perspective were, who did very well. And I mean, like I said in last episode, everyone did really well this year. And most years. But yeah, so I'm excited for the upcoming hackathons. There's still 3 left. 3 out of 4. Of course, last year. Just even forgot there was another edition this year. Last year, of course, I think there's only one left after ours, because the junior had already happened. There's only 3, so ours was the 6th grade, and then there's one left. But we get to watch, on the live stream and the map and kind of hear about the next 3 hackathons. So, we got a lot of content for you coming up, especially because the distance between the UE and the high school is very short. I'll be trying to get as much info on the high school one as I can. Of course, I'm not physically in a school that does that hackathon, because I'm in middle school. We're all in middle school, and that's high school. So I'll be trying to get in. I'll be trying to get in as much info as I can, kind of the theme, and tell you guys about that. Also, I was like, maybe we should talk about this. I don't really know if it's important to anyone. But I've been like, what are we going to do over summer, with this podcast? So normally our schedule is every school day. So that means we're only going to have an episode tomorrow, Wednesday, and then we go on break, and then we'll come back. Like, what is it? When does spring break end? Like a week after that, and we'll come back. So that's normally how our schedule works. Now, of course, summer is a lot longer of a break, like 2 months. But, normally not a lot of Kidoyo news comes out, which is, of course, mainly what we focus on. So not really a lot to talk about. So I don't really know how much we'll really upload. Maybe we'll put
I
some
have an
bonus
idea.
episodes up. What is it?
Yeah, so maybe like once a week we have like one episode, and like it's
Yeah.
about like
have
the
an idea
world of
too.
technology instead of Kidoyo or like ChatGPT.
That'd be cool.
Yeah. We could do that.
I have an idea. What if we all fail school? So it's technically school days for us because of summer school. Boom.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, I know.
Well, that's definitely one idea. Probably not the best. Yeah, I mean, I think there will be info coming in and stuff. I don't like new features, right? The Python 3 editor. Whoa. It will be coming out soon, so not during summer. So we'll talk about that. But like other releases, too, like other features, maybe other apps during summer will definitely warrant a like bonus episode, and we'll post then. Or whenever ChatGPT has another update, we could talk about that too. I just don't think it will be every day, and I don't think anyone wants that much. But yeah, so we'll keep you updated on our uploading schedule. So maybe I put this in the title, I don't know, but there's a lot of news about the Python 3 editor, so congrats, you stayed long enough to hear about it. So Mentor Bo has been posting a lot of previews in the form of HTML jigsaw puzzles, and then they form an image of like the new Python 3 editor, and it's looking really cool. One of the kind of things that they posted, I guess this is a spoiler, if you want to solve the puzzle that takes like 2 seconds right now so you don't hear from me, you can do that. But yeah, so one of the things they announced was that Python turtles will be in the Python 3 editor, which normally it's in Python Mini, but they're kind of, I guess we're going to still have both, and Python Mini is kind of like the intro into it, and Python 3 will be like once you kind of know the basics. But I'm really excited. There's a lot of cool features they're showing off, kind of like autocomplete, like functions and stuff, and like just for a nice UI overhaul, and a bunch of stuff like that. So it's exciting to see these kind of like sneak peeks. We've had one every day so far, right? I don't think they're going to keep going every day because that might be a lot. But as we get more info in, we'll be sharing it like we normally do. But I'm really excited. I don't know. I wonder if what Dev has been talking a lot about AI, I wonder if they'll sneak some of that in to the Python 3 editor. That's just a speculation. I don't know. But, it would kind of make sense with what he's talking about. We know that some features will be coming in, the next few months with AI, most likely. And really, they're thinking about and they're implementing like different ways AI can, help you with learning. I mean, not really just like doing it for you, But yeah, so lots of exciting things happening. We'll
Hooray.
keep you all up to date, and we will, my words today. We will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Adios.